Hey guys, guess what? We have got more Proline tires up for grabs. So write me a comment why you need these tires. You got new rigs, you're building old rigs, you're changing old rigs, your tires are tired, or you just need to upgrade your tires. Write me a comment, guys. The guys who write me a comment, I will put you guys in the final draw and let's see who wins the final prize. Now let's get back into today's video. It's race day! Right, come on, come on. A little bit more, throttling it up again. Steering right, steering in, slowly taking it. Little back, got stuck a little bit. No, where are you going? Where are you going? Don't do that. All the competitors are ready to rumble. I've got you guys all in the final draw. Now I'm just going to take a pick of, well, I've just got to look the other way and take a pick of drivers. Well, we've got 3 drivers and 2 fell out. So do we take the 2 that fell out as well? Let's put you all in. Well, then we have 5 drivers. That's actually quite good. So let's take the 5 drivers that we have. So competing against each other is Brian Button, Adam PSRCs, then 52 Dearman, then Piercing Heavens, okay, and Dan Weiss. So let's get down on the track and let's get going. So we are here at the Turtleworks Mountain Raceway and we're going to be attacking the track like we always do, hitting the straight, coming to the first obstacle, clearing the first obstacle with a slight right-hand turn, going over to the loose rocks and going up the steep section, always getting stuck here. Car falls over, gets stuck, wheel spins and coming over on another steep section to the right-hand side, doing a sharp left turn and passing over the red marker. So let's line up the competitors over on the rock. Going to get the first driver in. His name is Dan Weissman, and we're going to wrap him around the roll bar and send him to the start line. So his name's Dan Weiss. Yeah. Now my other drivers are starting to fly away. There we go. Jeez, almost got a heart attack. Okay, Dan Weiss. We have got a little bit of drizzle going on, but let's see how he does it. Waiting for the bell, and off he goes. And just keeping a straight line, coming first obstacle, steering a little to the right, throttling it up gently, trying not to fall off the rock there. Oh, got hooked a little bit on the back tire, steering full to the right, coming down, checking out the loose rocks, steering right, come on, a little bit more throttle, see the loose rocks are just getting in the way here, throttling it up again, steering right, steering left. No, he's not getting out of that big rock is just slowing him down. Okay, lining the car up a little bit backing it up and slowly taking it. Holy moly, that was quite a crash. Okay, back on his wheels, taking it easy, full right turn. No, can't make it. That loose rock is still a little bit in his way, but coming up and lining up the car right now, taking it maybe maybe backing it up one more time, getting stuck on the back of the car there, really gently, slowly taking it through there. Yes, perfect, full right turn, trying, got stuck on the left front tire, taking it back, trying not to fall off there. That was a close one, but he's lined up perfectly to go through. Full left turn, backing up one more time. Almost made it off the rock there. One more back up, coming up to or close to the finish line and across the line. Well done, Dan. Let's see who we have here. Brian Button. Let's put him on the roll bar. Okay, Brian is waiting for the bell and off he goes. Taking a fast straight, going a little bit more aggressive into the obstacle. Trying hard to keep it there. Yep, just going for it. Coming through, lining up the car to the steep obstacle, going back once, twice. We do not have penalties for backup, ladies and gentlemen. He's got his stuck. He releases, but he's pointing in the wrong direction. Backing up slowly and trying it again to come up the obstacle. Perfect. Whoop, a little bit high. Oh, I have to actually film this. Hang on a second, people. Okay, coming up the second obstacle. And oh, no. Oh my gosh, that was quite a hectic fall. Actually, let me try and get the camera back. Let me reverse out here. And let's do that again. Time is running. Car landed on its tires. There's no repo. And coming up again. Turning into the obstacle. I'm getting stuck. Oh, facing the wrong direction. Going back. Lining up again. Oh, a little bit too high. Needs to be a little more on the left on this obstacle. There we go. Finding traction. Taking it easy this time. Not too much on the throttle. Taking it past. Oh, same story again. Let's take it easy. Full left turn. Has to do one more backup. Try not to fall off that steep edge. And one more backup, and we're coming close to the finish line and across the line. Well done, Brian. Coming up, this is Piercing Heavens. Let's put him on the roll bar. Piercing Heavens is ready to go, waiting for the bell, and off he goes. Off straight into the obstacle. Full right-hand turn. Tire a little bit low. Oh, he's a little bit high. Will he make it? Will he make it? Yes, he jumped it and cleared it actually. Quite impressive. And coming into the loose rocks. A little bit of a left turn. Trying again. Right turn, left turn. Backing it up slowly. And now slowly going into the obstacle, but got stuck a little bit. No. Where are you going? Don't do that. Now, hang on. Putting it back on its wheels. Trying to save a little bit of time. Doing a repo. There are no penalties for repos, ladies and gentlemen. And off he goes. Positioning myself, obviously, safely on the rocks here. And trying to line up on the obstacle. This is seriously steep, guys. I am on the verge of tilting, and I did. Okay, and another one, another repo quickly, not to get too much time lost, and off we go. Keeping it on the throttle and steering in. One more backup. Come on, Piercing Evans, you can do this. No. Damn it. Another repo, putting him back in line, and off he goes. Now, left turn, backing it up. Left turn, trying to keep. Oh my gosh, this is getting more difficult by the run. Where are you going? Right. Putting him on the track, repoing on the track. Oh, now I'm falling off the track. And again, this is quite a hectic run, ladies and gentlemen. All right, lining him up, and one back up, and lining him up again. Getting stuck all the time on that back rock. This is just not a good run. Let's try and see. Yes. This should be a climber. Oh. No, this is also not a climber. Let's back up all the way. And a little bit more from the right. Getting it in. Now that's what I call a crawl. Full right turn, doesn't make the top pillar. Getting stuck with his front tire under there. and coming over now, full left turn. No, got stuck on the chassis. Come on, yes, now you can do it. And another backup, trying not to fall off that rock. As I said it, right? As I said it, it kind of happened. Let's just, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that was close. That was very, very, very close. And across the line. Okay, driver change. Next driver coming up is a 52 Dearman. Let's put him on the roll bar and make sure the other guy's not flying away. Great, got stuck on rocks already before he even gets going. Already on the start line, waiting for the bell, and off he goes. Oh, quite speedy through the straight flat bit. Going a little bit too close in there, but he makes it. Going over that steep rock, passes the actual entrance point because it's just not possible to do it in one go. Needs to do a few backups. And let's see if he can crawl. Ooh, nose is going a little bit high. Try to crawl his way. Oh, he's going all the way back. Lining the truck up all the way from the back and trying to go as gentle through there as possible. Yes, he made it. And another quick back up, full right turn, getting grip, full left turn, going a little bit high, trying that again. Oh, that little tree's in the way. Oh, he almost lost it there, ladies and gentlemen, but he is stuck on the hill there and is across the line. Well done, 52 Dearman. And coming to our last driver, this is Adam PS RCs. Let's put him on the roll bar and send him to the start line. Adam is coming to the start line and waiting for the bell, and off he goes. Oh, a little bit far in there. Car twisted a little bit to the right, trying to back that out. And yep, he made it. He made it. There was no big problem with that. He's a little bit on his side, trying to catch that. He's just a little bit stuck there on the back wheel, trying to get around this and trying to line it up. No. Oh man, that was quite a hard hit. Okay, putting him back on his wheels, one repo, and let me position myself, and off we go. Getting the car lined up, turning steep right. No. Try that again. No. Oh, gee, but we're back onto the wheels. Landing on the wheels is a perfect spot. No time lost. Getting out of that position is a little bit hairy right now. And let's try this car around. There we go. Full left turn. Jumped over the rock. And losing his tight turn there by doing that. Now lining up. Oh, getting stuck on the back again. Taking it easy. One more backup I think would be okay. There we go. Perfect line. And he is, he went a little bit far. Wait. Taking it back slowly, not trying to lose it off there. There we go. Full right turn. And coming up to that obstacle. One more back up. The tree's in the way, and he's just past the tree, getting it up through the last hill, a little bit stuck, and he is across the line. Well done, Adam. Hectic race action, guys. Let's assess the times. You probably already know where you are by watching the video. So piercing heavens, let me not get the names wrong, 3 minutes 13 coming in at number 5. Next is Adam PS RCs coming in at 1 minute 53. Then we have Brian Button coming in at 1 minute 46. Then we have Dan Weiss coming in at 1 minute 42. And the winner, 52 Dearman coming in at 1 minute 4 seconds. Congratulations, Yeah, Mr. for 52 Dearman. You can contact me on either Instagram or Facebook. Just search Turtleworks and you will find me there. Write me a comment, send me the address, and I will send the tires to you. So I can see you enjoyed race day, guys. Don't worry, I have more tires coming up. In the next 2 months, we've got another tire giveaway coming up. So subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell that you don't miss out, and we'll see you guys next week. Bye.